Welcome to Mike's videos of beavers. They're just chipping away, all day, every day, their own way.
Hi everyone, it's Mike here. Welcome back to another beaver video. I filmed this video on March 29th, 2023. This is the first beaver I've seen this spring in the downtown beaver family. This took place just before dusk. This beaver was swimming downstream and he left the river up the rocky, snowy bank looking for something to eat. He didn't pick a great spot because there wasn't much up here. You can see he found a few little saplings and he took some time to chew whatever he found that smelled pretty good. Now, I said he in reference to this beaver, but of course, if you've followed my material before, you know that you really can't tell whether a beaver is male or female. Here, the beaver is smelling this branch to see if it smells edible. He didn't seem to think that would make a good meal, so he's trudging through the snow. And of course, as you see, the snow is still quite deep in Saskatchewan. We have way more snow than we normally would have at the end of March. It's been a very cold spring. You can see here as he walks how deep the snow is. And then here you'll see his tail gets covered in snow just as he goes around the corner and heads back into the river. This beaver kept moving upstream and after 100 meters or so found a small branch in the water that was edible, so he stopped and ate for a little while. When the beaver finished that branch, he quickly made a small scent pile on the shore. Of course, as you know, this is the way beavers mark territory. They put mud on the shore, they scrape it up a little, and then they spray their scent on it to let other beavers know that the area is occupied. I followed the beaver further upstream, and after a ways it climbed out on the rocks, again looking for something to eat. And as you'll see, the beaver finds some small roots or twigs growing out between the rocks. I always love watching these beavers climb rocks. They really don't seem like they're designed for it, but they've learned to do it pretty well. Often I don't narrate these videos because I know a lot of my followers like the sounds of nature. In this case, I'm actually quite far from the beavers. I'm up on the walkway using my zoom, so you likely would hear very little of what the beaver is doing anyways. So mostly you would just hear the wind, so I didn't feel too bad narrating in this case. As you see, the beaver kept finding the odd little branch or twig between the rocks that were edible. At this point, the light was starting to fade fast. It was dusk, and my camera was not liking the amount of light, so the recording's going to come to an end. Thanks for tuning in. I always appreciate all of my viewers here on my channel. Feel free to like, comment, and share, and tune in again for more videos. Cheers.